So let's move to the Bootstrap website, and here we have the alerts. Let's find alerts that can be removed. So this, where is it? So this one, let's copy, and inside index, let's move to top. So after here, after the div, let's add the div with margin top and the bottom of 3. And here we add alert, div with alert message. So here let's remove this one. So here will be the message, and let's change or remove this one, and let's give it an ID. ID is the message content. And what else we need? We need also this div to have an ID. Let's give it ID, which is alert message. And now if we refresh page, so here we have the alert message. Let's change this one to success, and let's add a class to this div. So here let's add class the noun, which is display noun. If we refresh the page now, it's not showing. So now when the user adds, so here once the student is created successfully, so we need to display the message, and to do that we need to change the ID that we have, or the div with ID that we have added. So let's use the ID that we have added, which is the message content. Let's give it, I think we have here text, and let's give it the rest dot message. And what else we need? We need to remove the class, which is the noun, from the alert message. So here we remove class, and class which is the noun. So save, refresh. So now let's try to add someone. So here we have 5, and here we have decision. Submit, and as you can see, students created successfully. Let's do the same thing when we update. So let's do the same thing. Let's close this and open this, and you can optimize the code as I have said before. So we don't need it inside edits, but inside updates. So let's remove this and display the message, and same thing when we delete. So let's add here same thing, save. So let's try to update someone. So let's update this one, and update the note, and also here move to next, submit, and students updates successfully. Let's try to delete him, and it's deleted successfully. And let's try to update someone else. So now the message doesn't appear. Why? Because it's, once I clicked on the button, it has been removed. So even if I click again, or not I click again, if I save new student again, so it will not appear. So we need to fix this problem. And to fix this problem, so we have already the close button here, as you can see, this one. So the close button, let's remove this part of the code and use only the class. So now if we refresh and we save, so we have here students updated successfully, but we can't remove the message or the alert message. So we will use the document. So we will use document dot on click, and once we click on the class, which is the beta enclose, we will call a function, and function will only, so let's will only add or will only add class which is the noun to the alert message. So here we add the class instead of removing the class. So let's refresh. Let's now add student. Let's add the decision. So now students added successfully. We have the message. If I click here, submit, we have the message. If I click here, the message is removed. If I submit again, the message appears. And if I click, it's removed. If I remove someone, it appears again. If I click here, it's removed. So now everything is working as we expected. And as I told you before, you can optimize the code. For example, removing this code and adding other files that will handle the add, edit, and delete. So just remove the code from here and include it here. And also for the return here, for the content, you can add another file that will contain everything that we have here and only include it inside each file. So that's all for this project. I hope you did enjoy. If yes, hit like and subscribe, and see you in my next projects.